Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I hope you guys read that little post I made on my YouTube channel so you'll understand a little bit of where I've been. Anyway, so I thought I'll film a video and I'll do what I love doing most on my channel, and that's filming and reviewing complexion products. So today I'm here with the new Haus Labs concealer. Look at me, I forgot, to keep the concealer in view. So it's the Triclone Skin Tech Hydrating Concealer. I have the shade 40, which is medium deep neutral to medium deep with a golden undertone. You guys know I love a golden undertone. And I'm pretty sure you guys also remember I did not really like the foundation. But everybody loves it. I've never really seen a bad review. All over TikTok, they love it. So I have brought it back, but I'm thinking of getting it again. And trying it again because I'm crazy. Anyway, so this has a total of 31 shades, retails for $32, and it's supposed to be lightweight, long wearing, non-comedogenic. It does more than cover, visibly blurs, depuffs, brightens, conceals with a medium buildable coverage. All right, let's just jump right into it. All I'm wearing on my face is my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in shade 7. Because my skin has been dry as the desert. I'm trying to get rid of my hyperpigmentation, so I've been using kojic acid soap, and that's been drying my skin out, but it's working, so So I'm gonna go in today with foundation. I want to put my foundation on camera since I haven't filmed in so long. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty. I know you guys have this, you all probably bought it. The new Eavesdrop blur stick. I have it in the shade 19. And I personally think this is her best complexion product so far. I am obsessed with this. I love it so much. And I'm going to be using it a lot on my channel. So be prepared. And it's so easy to use. And I love the shade 19. It has like a great undertone. And I like to blend it out with a foundation brush. I'm using my Jaclyn Hill x Murphy foundation brush. All right, now for the concealer. It looks like a little version of her foundation. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It has like that kind of flat head, but it's kind of thick. It's thicker than like the average applicator that has this shape. All right, let's go in. And like I said, this is 40 medium deep golden. Somehow, like when I stuck it in the, and I'm only gonna put it on one side first so we can compare, because of course you can see my dark circles. Initially when I had swatched it, it felt a little thicker, but now today applying it on my skin, it feels sort of more liquidy than I thought, but yet it still looks more full coverage than I thought, but it feels more liquidy, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I don't know much about, I haven't looked at any reviews about how it sits on the skin, but I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and then I'm going to blend it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm using my Sephora number 71 brush. Oh, I love the undertone. It's nice and golden. I haven't filmed since last October, so I'm still playing around with my lighting. So I hope it's not too bad. I have it correct. Oh, this blended out. Oh, this is hydrating. It did say that in the description, right? Yeah, this is definitely hydrating. This looks really nice. So easy to, already liking it more than the foundation. No tea, no shade. Oh, this looks really nice. Nice coverage. This has a full medium coverage to me. It definitely covered my dark circles for sure. Not creasing yet, good sign. Because I've come to realize that my eyes have folds. My eyes are older and I'm gonna have creasing. I just don't want a lot. This is beautiful. This looks really nice. It has a nice, it's almost like an illuminating finish to it. This is really pretty, guys. And look at the comparison. And I like a bright under eye if you're here for the first time. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've put it on the rest of my face, and this feels heavenly. Oh my gosh. And this has been like the year of concealers so far, because I had purchased that Urban Decay one, the Quickie, and I love it. This one though, oh my god, this is really good. I also have the Tower 28, and I also want to review the new MAC foundation as well. So if you guys, this feels like a serum. I have to go back and read to see if it said serum, because that's how it feels to me. It feels like a serum concealer. All right, guys, so here's everything blended out, and I really like this. Now, if you have super dry skin like me, or if you just love stuff that looks hydrating and have like a little luminosity, or what's the word? Dewy, not a luminosity, like a dewy look to it, you're gonna love this concealer. It's really pretty. All right, so I'll come back and I'll set it on camera. All right, as you can see, now that everything's blended out, it's definitely like I think I build it up to a medium coverage, but it's definitely light to medium, because my dark spot here, it's peeking through, you can see. So it has more of a very like natural dewy finish. I think it's really pretty. If you have great skin, you're gonna love this as well. All right, so I wanted to set my under eye on camera. Dropping the brush. Me and these nails, they're press-on nails. Beats going to the salon. So if you like nails, you don't want to go to the salon, try press-on nails from Temu, and it's very cheap, good quality. All right, so and you know, I mean, I haven't been on here long. Hope saw the long video, but I don't care. I know you guys know I have a lot of like powder, but you wouldn't believe the powder that I've been obsessed with and have been using for my under eye, that I've had for a long time. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 30. Yes, I've been using this powder because I saw this girl used it on TikTok, and I was like, wait a minute, I have this powder. It's not translucent, it's more of an opaque kind of coverage, but I just love it. I just love the way it looks, and I love the way it makes my under eye look. All right, so I'm gonna set my under eye. See that? It just gives my under eye this beautiful finish, because and when I reviewed, I saw a lot of girls using it and they love it. And I'm like, wait a minute, this is really nice. Isn't that pretty? All right, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face, and I'll come back with more details. All right, guys, so I am back with the rest of my makeup done, and I have a concern. You know, I'm always gonna keep it real. I feel like the concealer is already fading. Is it my imagination? And this is even with the powder. So I don't know if this is gonna be a long wearing concealer, because I look at it, and even with the powder, you can see the dewiness peeking through. So maybe that's why it wouldn't have longevity, because I feel like it's already like fading around here. And I didn't touch it after I put that powder. I just finished the rest of my makeup. So that's a little concern. It's really pretty, and like I said, if you like dewy stuff, you're gonna love this. I'm not sure about the longevity, so but I'm gonna wear it for a few more hours, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. It's now it's 1:26 p.m. so I'll wear it for a few hours and then I'll come back. But for me, it's looking like it's beginning to already fade right here, and I set it with powder. Alright guys, so I will see you later. Alright guys, so I am back for my final check-in. It's now 5:18 p.m. Put this on after 1, so 4+ hours, close to 5 hours. This is how the concealer is looking. Okay, my thoughts. This is very pretty if you like a very light to medium coverage, because when I first put it on, it was looking very full, but like I said, it faded a little bit in here. And as I wore it, to me, it just kept looking, oops, sorry about that, my ring light. It just kept looking lighter and lighter. It was like the strangest thing. Lighter meaning coverage wise. So it's definitely a light to medium coverage. Maybe I could have built it up some more. Also, what I noticed, it didn't cover my dark circles. They're beginning to peek through. So it's either it was always there, I didn't notice it, or like I said, the concealer faded over time. Creasing is very minimal. My under eye does look very hydrated and healthy and dewy. I do like that. And for some reason, as the day went on as well, the color kind of doesn't look as golden anymore. It looks more olive, and I hate olive. I don't know what happened. So maybe it would have served me to get a deeper shade, but like I said, I like a brighter under eye. And when I heard deep golden, I thought it would have been, and in the tube and on my eye, and when I swatch it, it looks very golden, looks very beautiful. So overall for me, it didn't work for me, but it's very pretty, because for me, I need more coverage. And as you can see, I set it with that powder it's not a translucent powder, that's an opaque powder. And yeah, here are my dark circles right here. And I feel like I can actually see a little bit of that vein I have here too, like it's see-through. So either the coverage was lighter than I thought when I first applied it, because, you know, it was sitting on my skin, or it faded. Definitely faded in here. It faded right in here. Very lightweight, very pretty, but I think this is more for somebody with flawless skin who likes the no makeup look. This would look beautiful, but for me, with my dark circles, I don't think I can pull this off, or I would need to build it up, or I would need to put it on top of another concealer, because me having a dry under eye and dry skin, I love the texture and how it looks under the eye. It's very dewy. That's the way. I don't want to say illuminated. Very dewy, very soft. My under eye looks very hydrated. There's nothing dry about it. I love that. So, but I don't think I'm willing to buy a deeper shade in this concealer. So I'm going to play around with it. But it's not doing what I wanted to do. I needed more coverage, and to me it looks a little like thinned out under my eye, and you can still see my imperfections. If I wear concealer, I want something thicker, but it's a very, very pretty concealer. If you don't have much flaws, if you like the no makeup light look, this is very pretty. Your under eye looks beautiful. There's not a lot of creasing at all, which is a plus for this concealer. So right now I'm kind of on the fence, because I would have to play with it some more. I think the next time I wear it, I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna try to build it up some more. I let it sit on my skin longer, see if that helps, because I think it's a very pretty concealer, but for right now it's not doing what I wanted to do. I needed more coverage, and it just looks thinned out. But if you've had it and you've worn it, let me know how you like it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My next video is going to be of the new MAC foundation, so be on the lookout for that. And thank you guys again for watching. Bye.